pag wala ka nang ginagawa sa bahay, nakakabagot din. Kaya yung nagre-retire na yung tumatanggap na lang ng pensyon, sa bahay na lang, for sure nababagot din yun. Ito sa akin, sa bahay lang naman ako. Pagtapos ng mga gawain, nakakabagot. Lalo na dalawa lang kami ni Mamingka. So sabi ko, labas muna ako, maglakad-lakad sa Opava, magkape tayo doon sa Opava, at sabay na rin antay kay Hana para sabay-sabay na kaming umuwi. Ang ganda dito, yung puno ng pear, talagang naglalaglagan yung dahon. So maganda tingnan. Kaya lang pag baka allergy ka sa mga ganito, then hindi maganda. Pero tingnan mo ang Opava, hindi naman ganun kalaki yan, pero maganda, tahimik. So yan. Tsaka dito sa harapan may coffee shop. Pasok tayo dito sa coffee shop at magkape tayo rito. Dito sa Opava, walang Starbucks, walang Costa, walang Cafe Nero. Merong mga local na mga coffee shop yung katulad nito. Hindi naman gaanong kamahalan at maganda din magkape-kape rito para parang support na rin sa mga local. Masarap din yung kanilang cake, yung chocolate. Marami silang mga choices at kaya nga lang medyo may kamahalan yung ganitong cake. Pero dahil for the sake na magre-relax ka, upo-upo ka, free naman din yung wifi, kaya masarap tumambay dito. Kape tayo. Tapos na ako magkape. Dito ako ngayon sa harapan ng Corona Hotel. Hinihintay ko rito si Sofia. Galing sa doon sa bahay ng kanyang mga pinsan. Doon siya tumambay after ng kanyang school. Okay na rin, at least malapit yung bahay ng mga pinsan niya rito. Kung nababagot siya kakaantay kay Hana, so doon siya dumidiretso para tumambay. So sabi ko sa kanya, dito na ako sa Opava. So paalis na siya doon, so dito ko siya hintay sa harapan ng Corona Hotel. May isang Pinay na nagtatrabaho rito, si Mylene. Mylene, kung nanonood ka, shout out sa iyo at sa iyong beautiful na anak, si Violet. Yan na siya. Hindi pa rin siya kumain. Have you not eaten? No, oh my. My baby. Okay, let's go eat. Okay. Ang kanyang lunch is that chicken wrap. Okay, enjoy your lunch, Pinkay. Sabi ko sa kanya, wag mo nang mag-McDo. Doon na lang ako sa totoong pagkain, yung hindi yung talagang lutong bahay, yun, no? Sa Vietnamese o doon sa Czech Babichki, pero ayaw niya. Gusto niya daw McDonald's, so inayaan ko na lang. So ayan, chicken wrap tsaka fries. Tuwang-tuwa yan siya pag sinusundo ko siya rito kasi hindi niya nagagastos yung kanyang allowance. Okay, give me the car key. I'm gonna shop in the Penny. Anything you want in the Penny? Okay, they will go to Sophia's school because Sophia has a parents meeting. Yan yung Penny. Magsha-shopping muna ako dyan ng jasmine rice kasi naghahanap si Sophia ng jasmine rice. So, shout out kay Mel. Okay, natutulog yun si Mel panggabi ata eh. So, magsha-shop muna tayo rito sa Penny. Ito ang aking pinamili. Chichirya. At saka yung jasmine rice para kay Sofia. Yan. Wala silang malaki. So maliit yung nabili kong bag na rice. Usually meron silang 5 kg. Ito 3 kg lang. Pero okay ito para kay Sofia. So antayin natin si Sofia at si Hana rito. Okay, andun si Sofia at si Hana sa parent meeting. Hindi na ako sumama kasi sabi ko kay Hana, hindi naman ako nakakaintindi ng conversation yun ng kanyang teacher. Kasi check. So sabi ko, habang nag-aantay ako sa inyo, dito muna ako sa grocery store para mamalingki kahit papano para kay Sofia. Yan, andun pa sila. Maya maya matatapos na yon. Saglit lang naman yon. 3 subject na teacher ang imi-meet up ni Hana. So bawat isa 15 minutes lang naman. So parang kung din yan yung i-update nila siya na kung ano yung progress ni Sofia, lalo na sa Czech language ni Sofia. Kasi dito, alam niyo naman, sa Czech Republic, especially yung university rito, free sa mga Czech citizen basta makapasa ka ng Czech language nila, yung parang entrance ng university. So iti-test nila yung kapasidad mo sa Czech language, written and oral. So nakikita ko Sofia sa oral, talagang bihasa na siya sa pagsasalita. Pero sabi niya na yung kanyang written, kailangan pa talagang i-improve. Kasi iba talaga yung written exam ng Czech dito. At marami kasi silang mga letra na kita ko na mayroon silang parang U na parang may mata sa ulo, tsaka yung mga A na may parang may kudlit, o may mga letra na D na may parang may ibon. So iba-iba ang pag-pronounce nun. Yun ang minamaster ngayon ni Sofia. Pero overall, sabi ng teacher nung nakaraan, okay naman Sofia. At thank God at naka-adjust talaga siya rito sa Czech Republic. So magto 2 years na kaming August ngayon dito sa Czech Republic. So yeah, i-update ko kayo mamaya kung ano ang pinagmitingan ni Hana sa mga teachers ni Sofia.
So here we are on the way back home because I am hungry. Just came from work and straight away to parents meeting, but we had only just a small chat with the math teacher, Sofia's math teacher. So I went to ask for the update, and the reason why is because in 2 years, when she finished the primary school, she's going to secondary, which is college here, concerned as a college. And then she needs entrance exam, which is really very difficult
Because it's a Czech language.
Yeah, obviously everything is like in Czech language, and the main points are from math and Czech, and hope that in future will be English. That would be very good for Sofia and advantage for her, but unfortunately not yet.
But how is her math in general?
Her math is really very good, very good. He's very pleased with Sofia. She's very good in math, but when we get to point of the word samples, or I don't know how to word solving problem, that's the problem.
Is it because she doesn't understand some of the words of Czech, or
I think she understands, but some of the math equations, or I don't know how to say, it's tricky. It's even difficult for the Czech people. So could you imagine that she cannot find out the trick there, like careful. Oh, there might be some trick hiding, you know. So
Yeah, but I'm pleased that Sophia is able to adapt and adjust in Czech school.
yeah.
Just imagine from growing up in England, and she finished her elementary in England, and she moved here when she was first year supposed to be in England, but in here they moved back Sophia to year 6.
But you same age category because they,
Yeah.
they start late here.
Yeah, but yeah, I'm pleased and happy that she's able to adjust.
Yeah, she's doing really, really very good. But we need to really focus on the Czech language. Right,
Yeah.
Sophia?
As I've said, the university here is free for Czech people as long as they are able to pass the exams
Yeah.
of Czech language. If not, then that's why I always told Sophia, focus. Okay. So anyway, she's doing well. She's doing good. Let's see after secondary. See, college and university here are two different school. So kasi sa Pilipinas, pag college, isa sa atin yun, university or college. But in here, it's like the same in England. In college is different than university. So after high school, si Sophia magka-college. After college, then she will go to university. Right, see you home.
Alright, see you later.
Nagutom siya talaga galing sa school. But I give you food from McDonald's.
Yeah, but I want pancakes.
Huh?
I want pancakes.
Okay, so she's making her own pancakes. Yeah. And then what you gonna add up?
Like how other
Like toppings?
jam.
Jam? Just jam?
You don't have any chocolate topping.
No? That's jam. Okay? Good luck!
Thank you.
Talagang marunong na siya magluto ng mga cookies. Ito, yung pang merienda. How about you, darling? Are you hungry from work? Busy at work?
Busy.
Yeah? How busy? Really busy?
Very busy.
Oh.
Busy.
So you're gonna eat only bread?
Yeah.
You don't like, okay, your carbohydrates is potatoes. You don't have like potatoes and any meat. Just like seldom, right?
I had potatoes for lunch.
Yeah, only for lunch. Yeah. Unlike Filipinos, rice in the morning, rice lunch, rice dinner with side dish, meat or fish or veg. Yeah. But anyway, that's how you grew up. So,
You should
okay. How about you, Pinkay?
How about me? I don't know.
Okay, tomorrow, tell me where you gonna have lunch?
At school?
School, so I don't need to cook again, yeah? Okay. Because it's cleaning time for me tomorrow. Stairs.
I thought it was always Thursday.
You're going to cook and for yourself because you have a food there.
Yeah. Now I will go out on Thursday. That's why I'm gonna do cleaning tomorrow.
Where are you going?
Just with my Filipino friend.
Okay.
Yeah.
You bit into it.
So that's your dinner?
But I don't want to eat dinner, so. Oh, no one uses stuff. You're not gonna vlog that.
Andito na naman tayo exercise kay Sisi. Maganda dito sa field kasi, talagang fresh. Kaya ito na yung route ko. Mag-ikot-ikot dito sa village kasama si Sisi. Anyway, shout out sa dalawang nagbigay ng super thanks kay Madel Mansuito at saka kay Jando. Salamat po sa support nyo, sa super thanks na binigay nyo. Ako po at ang aking pamilya, si Ana at Sofia, ay ina-appreciate ang suporta nyo, ang prayers nyo, ang financial na support nyo sa pamilyang ito. So I really do appreciate that and so grateful. So shout out sa inyong dalawa at mabuhay kayo. Sa mga sumusuporta sa channel na ito, sa aming pamilya ni Hana at Sofia, salamat po. So mali ako sa pagdala ng jacket. Akala ko mahangin na naman ulit dito. Medyo hindi mahangin, wala ngang hangin, no? At medyo ang panahon kahit makulimlim, damdam ko na yung medyo humid, pero masarap maglakad-lakad. Okay, so again, salamat po kay Madel Mansuito at saka kay Jando sa inyong pagbigay ng super thanks. So grateful from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.